Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Google Pixel 9 beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Google Pixel 9 from the box. Remove the protective film from the screen and back. Insert the SIM card using the SIM eject tool included in the box. Power on your Pixel 9 by pressing and holding the power button on the right side. Swipe up on the welcome screen to begin the setup process. Select your preferred language from the list provided. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by choosing your network and entering the password. If prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Sign into your Google account by entering your email and password. If you don't have a Google account, create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, choose whether to back up your data from another device. Select your preferences for Google services, including location, backup, and more. Set up a screen lock method, such as PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Follow the prompts to register your fingerprint if you chose that option. Customize your home screen by selecting your preferred layout and app recommendations. Adjust any additional settings to suit your preferences. Review and finalize your setup, then tap on the Finish button. Explore your new Google Pixel 9 to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.